in Excel. There's lots of functions, statistical functions and different things. Let's say, for example, for this size of prey, the size of these mice here, I wanted to calculate the variance for that, but I don't remember the function. I'm going to go down here and click in a cell. And then I'm going to go over here to the f of x button. That f of x button right there is the magic. Click that. And then it automatically enters the equal sign that you will need. And then you can search through this whole list for all the different functions you want. Maybe you don't know what you want. You can shop for it in here, or perhaps you know it's something about the variance, right? Oh, and there it gives me a bunch of variances. Now you should know that the statistical ones here are repeats of the all category, right? Var P is for a population. We never use that, essentially. We use var.s because that is the variance of the parent distribution estimated from the sample. So you just go on there, which just double click it or hit return, and then it asks you, it's already got my data selected, but you can go in and select whatever data you want to do the variance from, hit return, and click done, and there you are. You can find any number of formulas through this route. One formula we may use in class you can find this way is the minimum formula. So let's say you're looking at this long row of numbers that goes across here, and for this particular observation you just want to find the smallest number, which we want to do in the spatial lab. Choose the smallest of 4 distances, and there is a function called minimum, and the equals min function. So I could look that function up over here if I'm not really sure about it, min, and let's see what it says. It says min. I can double click on it, and will it tell me any information? It says down here at the bottom, it says returns the smallest number in a set of values, ignores logical values and text. So by typing in the min function here, min through this range, it'll just put in there the smallest number. Well, that was a bit weird. It didn't like to do that. Let's try again. Oh, I clicked on an extra cell. So let's try again. Equals min and parentheses. I'll check this row here and those cells right there. What's the minimum of those? And it chose 12.4, which is the smallest number in the row.